This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about drink pouches, specifically these great bag tech drink pouches. They're made of BPA-free plastic that's also recyclable, so they're a great option if you're looking to do some cold beverages served in pouches. Whether that's retail or for an event, these make a fun, whimsical, kind of nostalgic option for serving cold beverages. They're a 17-ounce size. They measure approximately 5 by 9. And the bags are actually heat sealable, making them a great tamper-evident packaging solution if you're looking to do retail, which is fantastic. They come in either a single or double zip option on the top, and they have a couple of great features. The two larger holes on top make for a great little carrying solution, as customers or guests at events can just hook their fingers in there and carry their little drinks on the go. And the smaller holes are intended for your straws. So these actually make a really cute setup if you're looking to do something, say for a wedding or event, whether it's a corporate event and you're looking to put a branded logo there, or a wedding where maybe you're looking to do something like a cute sticker with a couple's initials, or even say for a food establishment, if you're looking to put your logo on there or some flavor details, and you want to have some cute, attractive packaging, you can match up cute little paper straws or other straw options and just slide them through the top. So it makes for kind of a fun, festive, unique display. Once people are sipping, they can simply slide that straw down in and then secure the zipper around it, making for a fun, easy way to sip without spills. So these are a nice little pouch. They'll hold 17 ounces of liquid, and they make for a unique drink display. Whether you're setting them up out at events for catering and you want something fun and attractive and cute for presentation that gives you just that little bit of whimsy, or if you're looking to do them for retail and you want a unique kind of grab and go option for cold beverages for customers, these can be a fun one to play with for things like lemonades, teas, juices, or even things like purees. If you're making some homemade organic purees for the kids and you want to have a little option to pack those up. So these are a great recyclable option for drink pouches, whether you're looking for something for home or for a retail solution.